Welcome back to Drove Flick. I got the Makuni carburetor put on the pit bike, and I was sitting back thinking to myself, maybe you should try to throw this up a couple of times before wheeling the Ninja as much as I've been trying on that first session. So let's get it. First gear is like way more trickier. So here it is. I don't have too much air in it. I haven't really checked the air pressure, but it feels flat when I tried it. I don't know. Just want to take her on a quick spin, see if I could feather this clutch a little. I don't like the idle on this. Throttle response is weird.